Every summer, millions of Americans, especially across Texas, Arizona, Nevada, and the Southwest, spend good money on a swamp cooler and end up with a machine that barely takes the edge off. But there are 6 swamp coolers in 2026 that produce real measurable temperature drops. One covers 950 full square feet for roughly the cost of a mid-range TV. And there's one on this list at just $40 that does something no regular fan has done for you. I'm also going to expose the one swamp cooler type flooding social media right now, all over paid ads and unboxing videos, that real-world testing proves is basically moving warm air around. Watch this before spending anything. All product links are in the description. Starting at number 6, the Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0 by Ontel. Yes, that $40 I mentioned, this is it. Set the right expectations first. This is not a room cooler. It's a personal space cooler built to cool a 3 to 5 foot zone around your body. Desk, nightstand, kitchen counter, home office. That is its job, and it does it well. It uses hydro chill technology. Warm air gets pulled in through a water-soaked evaporative filter, and cooler, moistened air blows back at you through dual cooling jets. The water tank holds 550 milliliters. Runtime is 8 hours on high, 10 on medium, and 12 on low per fill. Power consumption is just 8 to 10 watts. 3 fan speeds, 7 LED lighting colors, and whisper quiet operation on every setting. The firm limitation is humidity. In dry climates, Arizona, Nevada, New Mexico, West Texas, this performs well. In high humidity states, it will disappoint. For maximum cooling, freeze the filter before use and add ice cubes to the tank. That step changes the result noticeably. Who should buy this? Anyone needing personal relief at a desk or beside the bed for the lowest possible cost? For buyers 60 and older who prefer shopping in person, this is physically stocked at Walmart and Home Depot nationwide. No app, no setup. Fill it, plug it, flip the switch. Martin, price, $40. Available at Walmart, Home Depot, and Amazon. At number 5, the Uthfy 4000. This is the mid-range surprise, built for buyers who need real room-scale cooling without stepping into the premium price bracket. The 2026 upgraded version generates 4,000 CFM of airflow through a 3-sided high-density cooling pad system. Air is pulled and cooled from 3 angles at once, not just one face like most units at this price. At 41 inches tall, it covers up to 100 square feet. Wind speed reaches 37 feet per second, the kind of force you actually feel across a large room. The 13.5-gallon detachable water tank combined with 4 included ice packs gives up to 36 hours of continuous cooling. 3 fill methods are built in: pour into the upper tank, connect a garden hose through the side port, or pop the bottom tank off and fill it directly at the faucet. That level of convenience is genuinely rare here. 120-degree oscillation sweeps cool air from floor to ceiling. A 12-hour timer, remote control, and touch panel handle your preferences. 4 lockable casters, ambient LED lighting, and dry run protection are included. The climate rule applies as always. This only works in dry conditions below 50% relative humidity, primarily bought by online shoppers ages 20 through 40, sold through Amazon. Price, $170.190, available on Amazon. Number 4, the Drio 2026 Evaporative Tower. Drio was named the 2026 winner in the U.S. home comfort category for top increase in market share by Circana Retail Tracking Service. The 2026 upgraded Evaporative Tower shows exactly why they're gaining ground fast. This model is purpose-built for bedrooms and offices where noise cannot be tolerated. At 43 inches, it operates at just 30 to 35 decibels, quieter than a library. Most portable coolers at this size operate between 50 and 65 decibels. At night, that difference is everything. The low noise output comes from Drio's cross-flow impeller design. The impeller smooths airflow to reduce noise while maintaining airspeed up to 22 feet per second across 80-degree oscillation. The 2026 model adds full APP control with Alexa and Google Assistant support, set schedules, adjust speed, or activate sleep mode entirely with a voice command. 4 speeds, 4 modes including sleep mode, and a 12-hour timer. All components, water tank, cooling pad, rear grille, are removable for easy cleaning. Verified buyer data from over 500 reviewers shows roughly 80% satisfaction with noise level and setup ease. Around 80% confirmed effective cooling results in dry climates. One honest limitation, the tank holds approximately 1 gallon. Daily refills are expected on hot days, and output at roughly 216 CFM is best suited for personal and bedroom scale spaces. Buyers are typically ages 20 to 45 shopping online. Price, $100 and $30, available on Amazon. Number 3, the Hessair MC18M. Hessair has been in the evaporative cooling business since 1996. The MC18M is their most proven model for smaller spaces, and the brand accurately describes it as producing the most CFM per dollar of any portable evaporative cooler on the market. It puts out 300 CFM covering up to 500 square feet. At just 16 pounds empty, with 4 casters and a carry handle, moving it room to room takes seconds. The XL50 high-density rigid media is the performance core. The evaporative cooling pad provides 80% more evaporation surface area than standard density media. More surface means faster evaporation, which means colder output air. Lowe's product documentation confirms this unit can lower air temperature by up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit depending on ambient humidity. 2 cooling speeds plus a fan-only mode cover different needs. Noise level is 53.4 decibels. The 4.8-gallon tank provides 3 to 4 hours standalone, or connect a garden hose with the included float adapter for indefinite continuous operation. The adjustable front louvers direct airflow both up and down simultaneously, useful in workshops where drying floors and staying cool happen at the same time. For buyers 60 and older who want to see it before buying, this unit is stocked on the floor at Lowe's and Home Depot locations across the country. Online shoppers find it on Amazon. It's a price $159, $199. Available at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, and Amazon. Number 2, the Porticool Apex 500. That $1,099 is a real jump from everything above it on this list, and that gap reflects a genuinely different category of product, not just a bigger version of the same thing. For anyone operating a garage, workshop, auto shop, or covered outdoor space in a dry climate, the performance engineering here goes where budget units simply cannot follow. Portacool builds this in the United States. The Apex 500 moves 800 CFM across up to 500 square feet, but the number that truly separates it is air reach. It propels cooled air 55 feet at 40 miles per hour. One unit at one end of a 50-foot workshop pushes cooling to the opposite wall. CoolSync Wi-Fi is fully integrated. Control fan and pump speeds, set schedules, and receive low water alerts remotely through the Portacool smartphone app. The digital display mirrors all the same controls without your phone. The 13-gallon tank connects to a 4-inch garden hose for uninterrupted operation. Noise sits at just 53 decibels. Automatic shutoff protects the pump from running dry. The lifetime warranty on the molded housing matches nothing else on this list. Verified user feedback from Portacool's own platform. A Phoenix, Arizona buyer reported a near 30-degree temperature drop at an outdoor graduation party in full sun. A Florida buyer runs it daily to keep an elderly horse comfortable, crediting the Wi-Fi scheduling with making the routine manageable. For buyers 60 and older, Portacool is stocked in person at select Lowe's and Sam's Club locations. Price, $199, available at portacool.com, Lowe's, Sam's Club, and Amazon. Here's the warning I promised. You've seen them. Small, colorful personal coolers sold in pairs for $25 to $35, flooding Amazon search results and TikTok feeds. They claim powerful personal AC performance. Independent consumer testing has documented the same conclusion across multiple reviews. The water tanks are too small to sustain real evaporation, the pads are too thin to produce a meaningful temperature drop, and airflow is too weak to lower actual room temperature. They add faint humidity near your face. That is everything they do. They look great in a 15-second clip. They cool nothing in real heat. Now you know what to avoid. And the number 1 best swamp cooler of 2026, the Hessaire MC37M. An independent evaluation of 45 evaporative coolers tested over 6 months in real-world conditions, documented by Greenwashing Index and confirmed by multiple trusted review platforms, placed the MC37M at the top for most homeowners on airflow power, coverage, build quality, and value. Multiple sources named it best overall. 3,100 CFM, more than double the output of the MC18M at number 3. Nearly 4 times the airflow of the Porticool Apex 500, at roughly 1/3 of that unit's price. Coverage reaches 950 square feet. A large living room, a 2-car garage, an outdoor kitchen patio, or a medium workshop. The technical edge comes from the 3-sided media configuration. Most portable coolers use 1 cooling pad. The MC37M runs 3 high-density XEL50 rigid media panels arranged around the unit. This expands total air intake surface significantly, reduces pre-rotation of air before the fan, and lowers static pressure. More efficient airflow per watt consumed. That XEL50 media provides 80% more evaporation surface than standard density media. More evaporation equals colder output air at higher volume. The 10.3-gallon water tank runs 3 to 4 hours standalone. Connect a garden hose to the built-in fitting, and it runs continuously. 4 heavy-duty locking casters make repositioning a one-person job. Power, 250 watts. A central AC system draws 3,500 or more. 3 fan speeds, 2 evaporative modes, automatic oscillating louvers, and simple rotary dial controls. No app, no touchscreen, no Wi-Fi. That straightforward design is a genuine advantage for anyone who just wants to turn a dial and feel cold air. Noise is 59 decibels, louder than the Drio Tower or Portacool, but the CFM output difference explains that. Price? $337 to $392, depending on retailer. For buyers 60 and older who shop in person, Lowe's, Home Depot, Tractor Supply, Ace Hardware, Walmart, and Sam's Club all carry this physically. Online shoppers find it on Amazon. If you need to cool a real space this summer without paying central AC electricity rates every month, this is the one. Price? $337, $392. Available at Lowe's, Home Depot, Tractor Supply, Ace Hardware, Walmart, Sam's Club, and Amazon. That's the full 2026 breakdown. From a $40 personal desk cooler to a $1,090 commercial grade machine, with the strongest overall value at number 1. Drop a comment with your state and space size, and I'll tell you which one fits your situation. If this video helped you avoid a bad purchase, hit the like button and subscribe. All product links are in the description.